What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button as well as smash the subscribe button. Also, as a reminder to all viewers and subscribers, this is not financial advice. This is for informational purposes only. Now, in today's video, we have yet another credit union funding play. And this one right here is an absolute game changer. They have business products as well as personal products, B-locks, P-locks, business credit cards, personal credit cards, credit builders. So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing Elements Financial. So Elements Financial is one of the best credit unions in the entire country, in my opinion, because there's absolutely no geographic restrictions. So this is going to be open to anyone nationwide. It does not matter where you live at. Anyone is eligible to join. But how most people are going to be able to join is through a nonprofit called True Direction. It's similar to like the Financial Fitness Association or the American Consumer Council. So True Direction promotes financial fitness information and links to helpful tools and education websites. So pretty much during the membership application, you can become a member of True Direction, and then that will enable you to join Elements Financial. Now, they also will be doing a soft pull for membership. So there's no hard pull to join, unlike some other credit unions. It's just a soft inquiry. Now, they also use a third-party verification service. So they're going to be doing identity verification, address verification. So it's a company called Blend Labs. Now, Blend Labs provides a cloud-based software platform for financial firms that is designed to control the end-to-end consumer journey for any banking products. Now, I'm not going to get into a whole review over Blend, but pretty much all you need to know is that they do a lot of third-party verification for financial services firms, some of which includes Wells Fargo, US Bank, Navy Federal Credit Union, Republic Bank. So they're going to be doing a lot of the verification. Now, before we get into some of the credit products, I did want to go over some of the special offers that Elements Financial has. Now, these are going to be on demand deposit accounts. So right now they have 18-month, 13-month, and an 8-month certificate at 4.5% APY, and this is a limited time offer. They also have high yield savings until October 31st, 2023, with a 4.25% APY on balances of $10,000 or greater. And they have a high interest checking where you can get 5% APY, and this is going to be for new account holders for 12 months on balances up to $20,000. Now, first, let's go over some of their different credit cards. So they have a Signature Rewards Visa. So this earns 1.5 points on every dollar spent, and you can get a $200 bonus after you make 10 transactions on your credit card with a total of $1,000 in purchases in the first 90 days of opening the account. It also comes with a 0% intro APR for 6 months on purchases and balance transfers, and then after that it's a variable APR of 15.49%, and there's no balance transfer fee and no annual fee. So this is a game changer because you can basically transfer a balance and incur no fees whatsoever. A lot of credit cards that offer 0% on balance transfers usually come with a balance transfer fee. So you can literally have up to 6 months with no interest being applied to whatever balances that you transfer. You have the low rate Platinum Visa. So Platinum Visa is usually going to be synonymous with the lower APR. As you can see right here, as low as 13.49% versus 15.49% for the Visa Signature. This also does have the $200 cash bonus after spending $1,000 in the first 90 days, and you must make at least 10 transactions. They also have the Cash Rewards Visa. This earns 1% cash back. A lot of the same features. This is going to have a higher APR than the other two credit cards so far. And then they have some of these co-branded credit cards like the Butler Visa Rewards credit card, as well as the Indianapolis Indian Signature Visa credit card. They have the Riley's Children Foundation Visa. So just read the fine print because all these credit cards, at least the co-branded ones, have slightly different APRs, and some of them do come with like a balance transfer fee. Like this one has a 1% balance transfer fee. And they also have a secured Visa. So this is for those who might be trying to rebuild their credit. You're going to put down a deposit. That deposit will be held as your limit, and your on-time payments will be reported to the credit bureaus, and this will help you with building credit. Now, aside from the credit card, they also have an unsecured signature loan, so there's no collateral required, and you could borrow up to $25,000. This is going to be a fixed payment instead of a revolving line like a credit card, and there's no prepayment penalty. penalties. They also give you the option of a certificate loan where you can borrow up to the full amount of your Element certificate at 2% above the current savings rate. One of the unique loan products they have is called the adoption loan. So this is going to range from $5,000 up to $25,000. And this allows for extended draw periods of 24 months. And this is going to be tailored to each adopted family's specific needs. Last but not least, you have the credit builder loan. So this is going to be your traditional credit builder loan where you're making monthly payments. And then at the end of the loan term, you get all of those proceeds back. And this is going to be, and there's no credit qualification requirement. You can establish with the original loan amount from $500 to $1,000 made available for use at the end of the repayment period. Now, this is a good option if you have little or no credit history and want to establish credit, allowing for possible future credit opportunities, and you want to build your savings for use with a secure credit card. Now, one of the most interesting products that they offer is a stock secured loan and line of credit. So this is a way for you to get more out of the stocks that you already own. So with the stock secured loan or line of credit, you can secure your loan with the stocks that you own at a low interest rate. So you're pretty much using your stocks or pledging your stocks as collateral for the line of credit or the loan. And you can borrow up to 70% of the current market value of the stock. And this is going to give you a lower interest rate than an unsecured loan, and is going to be a variable interest rate indexed to the prime rate. And this is available as a loan or line of credit. So one of the great things about the stock secured loan or line of credit is that you still own the stock. So you're not liquidating or selling your stocks. You still own it. So you're still going to be able to take advantage of the appreciation of the stock or any dividends that you might be earning from the stock. But then you can also use that as collateral to get the line of credit or the loan and use that for other purposes. Now, in terms of the auto loans, right now you can get up to a $500 cash bonus when you buy or refinance, mentioning promo code AUTO500. Currently, they have rates as low as 5.79% on new or used 2022 and above cars. Another game changer is that you can finance up to 120% of the car's value, including tax and license. And don't forget, with the special offer, you can get up to a $500 cash bonus when you buy or refinance auto loans. Mention promo code AUTO500, and this is a special offer from Elements Financial. Now, we talked about the personal credit products, but they also have business lines of credit. So these are going to be business lines of credit that you can use as short-term working capital, pay interest only on the funds that you draw, and there's no penalties for prepayment. In addition to the line of credit, they also have a business rewards Visa card. So with the business rewards Visa card, there's no annual fee, no penalty rates. You can earn 1% cash back on all eligible purchases, and there's no cap on the cash back that you earned. All right, so let's recap some of the data points about the credit union funding play for Element Financial. So again, there's no geographic restrictions. This is going to be available nationwide. Doesn't matter what state you're in. You can join through a nonprofit called True Direction, and this is done through the membership application. So you don't have to go through their website and do it prior. You could do all of this through the membership application, and there will be a soft pull for membership. Elements Financial uses a third-party verification called Blend Labs, and it takes about 2 business days to fully onboard. Now, in terms of the data points, they will be doing a hard Equifax credit inquiry for credit products. And now for the credit cards and unsecured personal loans, you want to have at least a 680 plus credit score for the unsecured credit cards and loans. Now there's 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers on select credit cards with no balance transfer fee. Just make sure you read the fine print before you apply for some of the credit cards, because not all of them have the same terms. They have credit builder loans up to $1,000, as well as secure credit cards for rebuilding your credit. Interestingly, they also have a stock secured line of credit where you can borrow up to 70% loan to value on the fair market value of your current stocks, and you can get either a line of credit or a loan. You still own the stocks, but you're using the stocks, you're pledging them as collateral to get the loan or the line of credit. And right now they have a $500 cash bonus when you buy or refinance a auto vehicle loan, and the promo code is AUTO500. So make sure you you use that promo code if you want to get the $500 cash bonus. And they also offer business lines of credit as well as business credit cards. Now, overall, I think Elements Financial is a great credit union to join. Again, open nationwide. They do use Equifax for all of their credit decisions, so just keep that in mind. If anyone's interested in joining, I'll drop the link in the description of the video. And as a reminder, this is not financial advice. This is for informational purposes only. Until next time, take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.